ABC Creative Studio. Subscribe to my channel.
Creating a beautiful pot from clay is a satisfying project that allows you to express your creativity and craftsmanship. Whether you're working with air-dry clay, oven-baked clay, or traditional ceramic clay for kiln firing, here are some tips and ideas to guide you through the process. Materials and tools. Clay, choose the type of clay that suits your workspace and skill level. Air-dry clay is great for beginners, oven-baked clay is perfect for small projects, ceramic clay is ideal for those with access to a kiln. Tools, clay modeling tools, rolling pins, wire cutter, needle tool, and a pottery wheel, if available. Decoration materials, paints, glazes, stamps, stencils, or textured materials for imprints. Finishing materials, sandpaper, varnish, or glaze, depending on your clay type. Creating a beautiful pot from clay is a fulfilling endeavor that allows you to blend creativity with craftsmanship. To begin, choose the type of clay that suits your workspace and skill level, such as air-dry, oven-baked, or ceramic clay. Prepare your workspace with a clean, flat surface and gather essential tools like a rolling pin, clay modeling tools, and materials for decoration. Once you've conditioned the clay to remove air bubbles, decide on a method to shape your pot, whether it's pinch, coil, slab, or wheel thrown. As you build your pot, add textures and decorations using stamps, stencils, or other objects to create patterns. Attach any additional features like handles with slip, and then let the clay dry thoroughly before sanding the surface for a smooth finish. If using ceramic clay, fire it in a kiln, then apply glazes or paints for a vibrant touch. The final step is to seal or varnish as needed to ensure durability. Through this process, you can craft a unique and beautiful pot that reflects your style and creativity.